I don't think so. Oh, that could be brilliant. That could be outstanding.
In the air by Smith and then Lyth. Brilliant this. Yeah, it's good, it's good. He takes the catch before he lands over the boundary rope. I think he's got hold of this. It may just... Oh, this could be brilliant. This could be brilliant, and it is. I think Maxwell's done his absolute genius tricks again on the boundary. Unbelievable effort.
Might be 1 for 20, or will it be none for 26? What a great effort! That's unbelievable! That is sensational!
This is brilliant. Look at that! Look at the awareness! Look at the awareness! Oh, and he's crushed that! Has it got enough? It's right to the rope. Spectacular catch!
They will pay that. That's out. That's out. That's what.
Did he clip the ball out on the way over?
Did he? Doesn't matter. Let the ball go.
No. Ball's gone. Clear. Just turn on the... Oh.
Right. Is that put on?
I don't know.
That's out. That's out.
That's superb. We get to look at it. There he goes. And...
Brilliant!
Although Glenn Maxwell now has paused. But watch this. This is flat and hard and six all day long. Up goes one hand. The only concern is whether any of the padding was hit.
Oh, that's in the air. And it's caught. Brilliant. Was fantastic. Back he goes, takes it in one hand, has the presence of mind to throw it up, gets back, and that's where the athleticism comes in. Throws himself back in to take it.
Hit that well. Well enough. Not well enough.
It's in, run back in. Now let's have a look here. He's caught it. He's not on the rope. He's going to go out. He tosses it up. Then goes out. Does he get back in? He trips there. He gets in. I reckon that's out. That's brilliant.
Oh, that's high. Who wants that mid-wicket's coming round? Has he got enough on this plunket? Oh, now then we're going to have a good long look at this.
Yes, to the catch in the box. It's a quick look before the ball was there. Just have a look at the boundary. Takes the catch. Foot's fine.
Down the wicket, over the top, but not all the way over the top.
At any stage of the match, if Tendulkar is claiming a catch, he's one player you can trust in the world.
Gets it down to Lamont. Oh, brilliant! Oh, an El Dorado. Sorry, it's a Guardian group classic.
Continues, and this is swung high, and he's caught. Oh, is it out? I think he is.
To have the state of mind to recognise that he's got to release the ball, but not only to release it, but to be able to throw it to another fieldsman who's about 30 metres away. Just a push drive. Oh, double done it again! Oh, yes! Back. Well, I thought we'd seen the catch of the season at Old Trafford. This is phenomenal. Not just from Adam Lyth. The reactions of Finch to grab it or just to pull it down are fantastic.